Your skin is not just a protective barrier. It is the largest organ of your body and a direct reflection of your overall health. When people look at you, your skin is the very first thing they notice. It tells a story about your lifestyle, your diet, and even your inner balance. While many people spend hours on expensive skincare routines, creams, and cosmetic treatments, the truth is that glowing, youthful skin starts from within. What you eat daily has a powerful effect on how your skin looks, feels, and ages over time. Certain foods can nourish and protect your skin, keeping it supple and radiant. But on the other hand, there are foods that silently damage your skin, accelerating wrinkles, triggering acne, and making you look older than you really are. Some of these foods might seem harmless or even healthy, but the reality is that they can wreak havoc on your hormones, collagen, and natural microbiome. In this video, we are going to explore the 7 worst foods for your skin. By understanding how these foods work against you, you'll be empowered to make better choices that will not only protect your skin, but also improve your overall health and vitality. Number 1. Skim milk. Milk is often marketed as a healthy drink, but when it comes to your skin, skim milk in particular can be a real enemy. Research suggests that skim milk can disrupt your hormones, leading to increased production of sebum, the oily substance that clogs pores and causes acne. Unlike whole milk, skim milk undergoes extra processing, and in that process, certain proteins may intensify inflammation in the body. Another factor is the natural hormones present in milk from cows. These hormones can interfere with your body's own delicate hormonal balance, particularly insulin and androgens, both of which play a major role in acne development. For someone struggling with breakouts, removing or reducing skim milk from the diet can lead to noticeable improvements in skin clarity. A good alternative is unsweetened almond milk or oat milk, which don't have the same negative hormonal impact. Number 2. Seed oils. Seed oils like soybean oil, corn oil, and sunflower oil are everywhere, used in cooking, packaged foods, and even so-called healthy snacks. While they may be convenient, they are very high in omega-6 fatty acids. Your body does need some omega-6, but when consumed in excess, they trigger inflammation. And inflammation is the root cause of many skin problems, from redness and irritation to premature aging. The real issue is balance. A healthy skin diet requires a proper ratio of omega-6 to omega-3. Unfortunately, the modern diet is overloaded with omega-6 thanks to processed foods. This imbalance fuels chronic inflammation that damages collagen and speeds up the aging process. Replacing seed oils with healthier fats like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil can dramatically improve skin resilience and radiance over time. Number 3. Bread. Whether it's white bread or wheat bread, both can be harmful to your skin due to their high glycemic index. When you eat bread, the starch quickly breaks down into sugar, spiking your blood glucose levels. This sugar then binds with proteins in your body, including collagen, through a process called glycation. Glycation stiffens and weakens collagen fibers, making your skin lose elasticity. Over time, this leads to sagging skin and the formation of wrinkles. Essentially, bread is silently accelerating the aging process every time you consume it. Whole grains may be a better option for your overall health, but if you want to protect your skin, cutting down on bread and refined carbohydrates is a wise step. Instead, focus on low glycemic foods like leafy greens, beans, or quinoa to maintain steady blood sugar and youthful skin. Number 4. Artificial sweeteners. Many people turn to artificial sweeteners to avoid sugar, thinking they are making a healthier choice. Unfortunately, these sweeteners can do more harm than good for your skin. Substances like aspartame or sucralose interfere with your gut microbiome, the delicate ecosystem of bacteria in your digestive system. Your gut health and skin health are deeply connected through what's known as the gut-skin axis. When your microbiome is disrupted, it causes inflammation and imbalance, which can manifest on your skin as acne, dryness, or even rosacea. In addition, artificial sweeteners may increase cravings for sweet foods, leading to overeating and more exposure to harmful sugars. A healthier option would be natural sweeteners in moderation, such as raw honey, stevia, or monk fruit. These support better balance without damaging your gut or your skin. Number 5, processed meat. Hot dogs, sausages, deli meats, and bacon may taste good, but they are loaded with harmful additives. Processed meats often contain nitrates, sodium, and preservatives that increase oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is one of the main enemies of collagen, leading to premature wrinkling and loss of skin firmness. Some processed meats also contain maltodextrin, a refined starch that rapidly spikes blood sugar, creating the same glycation problem we discussed earlier with bread. This double hit of nitrates and high glycemic starch makes processed meats particularly damaging to skin health. If you're looking to protect your skin and overall health, replace processed meats with lean, whole protein sources like grilled chicken, wild-caught fish, or legumes. Not only are these options cleaner, but they also supply the nutrients your skin needs to repair and regenerate.
6. Soy protein. Soy protein may appear as a common ingredient in protein bars, shakes, and vegetarian products, but the truth is that industrial soy protein is far from natural. It is heavily processed, often using hexane, a chemical solvent, to extract protein from the soybeans. This creates a highly concentrated protein isolate that the human body doesn't handle well. On top of that, soy is high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, as we know, can drive inflammation. Inflammation in the skin can present as breakouts, irritation, or accelerated aging. Some studies also suggest that soy can mimic estrogen in the body, which might create hormonal imbalances in sensitive individuals. If you need a plant-based protein, healthier alternatives include pea protein, hemp protein, or rice protein, which are less processed and more skin-friendly. 7. Fruit juice. Fruit juice is often marketed as a healthy beverage, but it is one of the worst choices for your skin. Even 100% natural juice has extremely high sugar content, sometimes equal to soda. Half of that sugar is fructose, which goes straight to your liver and causes metabolic stress. Additionally, most juices are pasteurized, a process that destroys the beneficial enzymes, antioxidants, and vitamins that fresh fruit naturally contains. What you are left with is essentially sugar water with very little nutritional value. The high sugar in juice triggers glycation, damaging collagen and leading to sagging, dull skin. A far better choice is to eat whole fruits, which provide fiber, antioxidants, and hydration without spiking blood sugar the same way juice does. Your skin's health is not determined only by what you put on the outside, but more importantly, by what you feed it from the inside. The 7 foods we've discussed, skim milk, seed oils, bread, artificial sweeteners, processed meats, soy protein, and fruit juice may seem normal in everyday diets, but over time they contribute to inflammation, collagen breakdown, and premature aging. By reducing or eliminating these foods and choosing whole, nutrient-rich alternatives, you can protect your skin, restore its natural glow, and slow down the visible signs of aging. Remember, radiant skin starts with mindful choices at the table.